Today we are testing Artlist, which is the sponsor of this video, an AI creation platform for generating images, videos, voiceovers and music from a creative workspace. Perfect for creators who want to move from idea to final content faster without jumping between multiple tools. Let's go in. So first you go on artlist.io. Here you have an overview about the tool. You have a ton of features to use, like the AI Toolkit with different image and video generation features. First we want to generate some images for the further production with video. So here you have the chat box. You can choose between the top models like Nana Banana 2, Pro, Seedream 5.0 and more. As you can see here, for each model you have different options like the ratio, the quality up to 4K and the number of images which will be generated, and the new feature unlimited. So for some top models you can generate unlimited generations, which is just crazy nice. Our idea here is to generate a woman and a man, which will be used in references for the further production. So first we have this prompt of a full body studio portrait of a beautiful woman in her late 20s with long red hairstyle. And as you can see, we already generated it. It looks just amazing, high quality, no deformation, exactly that what we wanted. Now we wanted to generate further poses of her. And as you can see, it's just working great here. We will pick the best pictures here for the further production. Now we are finished with our woman. We want now to generate a handsome action adventure hero in a brown leather jacket. Just hit generate and seconds later we have the finished output here. As you can see, high quality cinematic, exactly that what we wanted. We can now take this picture, image reference. We can also add multiple image references here, but we are fine with it. We just hit generate and now based on our reference he generated more pictures of him. Just perfectly. Also in the studio, very nice. So now we want to generate videos with our characters. As you can see, I uploaded 4 pictures of our red hair woman from different angles, so the quality of the video output is better. We want a multi-shot scene, a slow push in toward Ava, it's her name, inside a underwater research station, then a close-up of her hand activating a glowing holographic map, wide shot and again a close-up. We use Seedance 2.0 here and we hit generate and here we have the result. Let's look at it.
The station is still breathing. I have to check the systems again. And maybe I can live here.
This is just amazing. The multi-shot scene, each shot cinematic, high quality, no deformation. Exactly that what we wanted with the holographic. A nice whale with fitting sound effects, a whale sound effect here. Artlist is just awesome here. We can now download it, further edit it, recreate it, or use it for a further production like a lip sync or a translation. Here example, we added our 2 characters here and we had a prompt of a wildlife photographer scene. So the 2 characters are embedded in this scene and behind them is a lion. We used Flux 2.0 Pro here. Now we took this image as source image for the video generation. It should be a natural documentary look where Ava and Ethan talking about the wildlife and the lion. Let's look at it.
There, just beyond the grass.
I see him.
He's calm. Take the shot.
Got him. Stay quiet.
Ultra realistic, cinematic, no deformation, character consistency on point. Kling 3.0 used here, just amazing. Another example, we wanted a multi-shot 90s road trip sequence where our 2 characters are riding a bike and talking. Let's look at it.
Race you to the sunset like always.
You always say that before losing. Maybe you should train a bit.
Again, awesome. Now we tried something different. Again, we used our reference images of our 2 characters, but now we want a 3D Toy Story scene in a train. The image generation is just on point. And now a multi-shot scene.
Next stop?
Somewhere neither of us planned.
That sounds very convenient.
I prefer calling it destiny.
You always carry that compass?
Only when I'm trying not to get lost.
And is it working?
Not really, but it led me here.
Then maybe it works better than you think.
It's just one of the best things I've ever seen. The multi-shot scene on point, the dialogues fitting, the lip sync just crazy good. Just by uploading an image and a fitting prompt, you can generate your own Toy Story here. Very nice. Now we go to the AI music feature. On the bottom you can now see there is the music feature selected. You have the top model available like Luria 3 Pro. You can adjust the settings like you have auto lyrics generation or some customs or just instrumental only. You can adjust the duration, the genre, the mute, the theme, the tempo, just everything to make your desired music. We make it simple. A pop song about dogs are the best friends for humans, and it's already generated. Let's hear it.
Sun hits the floor and you're ready to run, wagging that tail, my partner in fun. Park in the morning, the ball's in the...
And as you can hear, it's a pop song, exactly what we wanted, about dogs, tail wagging. Very nice. Here we tried a slower song with a female voice about a dream a girl had and it fulfilled. Let's hear it. Let's go to the middle here.
Now the field is green, the sun is high, no more shadows in my eye. It's the quiet peace of a dream come true. Standing.
Exactly that what we wanted. A slow song, guitar song with a female voice. Just a perfect music feature here. Something similar. You can also create voiceovers. You have the top models 11, V3, Minimax and more. Here you can select the voice. You have the preview here.
Tell your story exactly how.
Or this.
Tell your story exactly how.
Now you select your voice. You have different options to choose, like the language, an accent, the stability of the voice throughout the voiceover. You can also add effects, like it's an upstairs neighbor, a cave, a walkie-talkie. So this first voiceover generation is just a normal one. Let's hear it.
Once upon a time, in a quiet village beyond the misty hills, there lived a girl who believed the stars could whisper secrets.
Yeah, it's just perfect, natural, awesome. The next one we created with the sound effect announcer. Let's hear it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the arena. The lights are on, the crowd is ready, and tonight, history is waiting to be written.
Yes, exactly that what we wanted. Announcer voice. Very nice. If you liked Artlist, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.